got fired or something like that, you flipped over.
All right, so you guys, just so I know, so this is where you need to put your.
That's where the center line of the 8-inch holes go.
All right, so you're gonna just basically see that, make sure that that's.
Yeah, so that's what I was just saying. We'll do like a 2-foot box, one foot in each direction, up and down, and side to side.
Okay, you want to make sure that that is clear.
Yeah,
that's what you're doing.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the quick scan, right?
Yeah, quick scan.
Right.
And you're good. You're live. You're good. So once you press the button, you're good to go. Crisp. So what you're doing now though is you want to make sure you mark as you go.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Because right now if you stop pressing that, you forget where you were. So
okay.
Let's get live again. Let's make sure we get a marker. We'll mark the sides of the machine.
Okay, so I gotta start this over then, right?
Yeah, start it over. Just press the red button again. And now you're live. Yep. There you go. Now just go ahead and go back. There you go. And then the edges, you know where the edges line up, and then we just mark the edges.
Same thing, Dan. You want to stay on the same side?
Nice.
Another mark. Yeah, right?
Yep, exactly.
And then
There you go, yeah.
right there.
All right, now the reason your marks look a little wide is mainly because when you mark it, if you look at the back of the machine, you see how it angles in like this? You want to dig your marker into there, and that's your straight edge.
Right.
So, I mean, maybe these are a little bit too wide. Actually, that looks pretty good. But that's why it might be a little wide sometimes.
See the
There should be
other
another one
piece
right
there?
over
Looks
here
like there's
then.
something under. They're getting another echo off of it. Maybe that's where it's
Somewhere
at.
beneath it. Yep.
Yeah, get it on the lower one. That's fine.
Now we're going the opposite direction. Let's get the low grid.
Alright, line. Line.
Nice. There's your grid. Looking good. And you're saying that you're going to just try to make sure you can drill an 8-inch hole here without hitting more than one of these rebars. That's your goal. All right.